Hello learners, so my name is Miss Disha Vinodkar, an assistant professor in chemistry at Ganpat Pasekar College of Education, Goa. So I welcome you all for today's MCQ solver course. So today's module will be basically focused on solving questions based on name reactions of phenols. So let's start with the question 1. What will be the product of the following reaction? So your reaction is given wherein phenol is reacted with methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid. So the options given are metahydroxytoluene, option B orthohydroxytoluene and parahydroxytoluene, option C orthochlorophenol and parachlorophenol, and D none of the above. So this is a classical example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction wherein phenol react with methyl chloride to give paracresol and orthocresol. Your main product form is paracresol in major quantity. So the answer will be option B, that is orthohydroxytoluene and parahydroxytoluene. Moving on to the next question, that is question 2. What is the product obtained in Reimer-Tiemann reaction? Option A is salicylaldehyde, option B is aniline, option C is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, option D is salicylic acid. So here phenol reacts with chloroform and NaOH to give major product as salicylaldehyde and minor product as 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So in option given there is presence of salicylaldehyde. So the correct option is option A, that is salicylaldehyde. Moving on to the next question 3. In conversion of allyl ethers into orthoallyl phenol, the rearrangement is called as dash. Options are A. Fries rearrangement, option B. Corey-House rearrangement, option C. Claisen rearrangement, and option D is Gattermann rearrangement. So here allyl phenyl ether undergoes 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement of allyl phenyl ether, giving an intermediate. This intermediate then undergoes tautomerization to give phenol, which is substitute at ortho position. So the correct answer will be option C, that is Claisen rearrangement. Moving on to the next question 4. Schotten-Bowman reaction is the reaction of phenols with dash. Options are acetyl chloride and nitrobenzene, acetyl chloride and NaOH, salicylic acid and sulfuric acid, benzoyl chloride and NaOH. So here it is a name reaction wherein phenol reacts with benzyl chloride in presence of aqueous NaOH, giving you phenyl benzoate. So this is one of the popular method for preparation of phenol benzoate. So the correct option will be option D, that is benzoyl chloride and NaOH as a reagent. Now moving on to the next question, that is 5. Fries rearrangement reaction of phenol ester leads to the formation of which type of the product? Options are A. ketone, B. aldehyde, C. alcohol, and D. alkene. So here Fries rearrangement is basically rearrangement reaction of phenolic ester to hydroxyaryl ketone by using Lewis acid as a catalyst. So here Fries rearrangement reaction of phenol ester leads to formation of ketone. So correct option is option A, ketone. Moving on to the next question, that is question 6. Vanillin is obtained by using dash reaction. So options are Hofmann bromide reaction, option B Reimer-Tiemann reaction, option C Hoban-Haussig reaction, and option D, Getterman reaction. So here it is an example of Reimer-Taimer reaction wherein vanillin is apported as the major product. So the correct option will be option B, Reimer-Taimer reaction. Moving on to the next question, that is question 7. The following reaction is known as dash. Here reaction is given and the options are as mentioned. Option A, Perkin reaction. Option B, Kolbe's reaction. Option C, Getterman reaction. And option D, Getterman-Koch reaction. So here from the reagents we can directly say that it is a name reaction wherein that is Getterman reaction wherein it leads to formation of aromatic compound. It is an example of reaction wherein formation of aromatic compound is carried out using mixture of HCl and HCN in presence of Lewis phase. So here in the given reaction, phenol is converted into salicylic acid using the mixture of HCl and HCN in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. So the correct option will be option C, Getterman reaction. Moving on to the last question, that is question 8. Predict the product of the following reaction. So here reaction is given wherein there is reactant which is then reacted with reagent like carbon dioxide and sodium hydroxide in presence of acid, that is sulfuric acid. And options given are as mentioned. So here it is an example of Kolbe's reaction which involves reaction of sodium salts of phenol with carbon dioxide gas wherein orthohydroxybenzoic acid is formed as the main product. Here sodium salicylates is formed which on acidification yields salicylic acid, that is known as orthohydroxybenzoic acid, and the general reaction is given as mentioned. So the correct answer is option D. Thank you for your attention.